Welcome to AI Beat, your quick pulse on the latest developments shaping artificial intelligence and technology. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter for a steady stream of insights delivered straight to your inbox. Now, let's explore the key trends from December 9th, 2025 that are redefining the AI landscape. Finally, Microsoft's significant $19 billion investment in Canadian AI and cloud infrastructure underscores the country's emerging role as a global AI hub. With new data center regions and ecosystem support, Canadian enterprises will have the opportunity to localize AI workloads, fostering innovation while maintaining data sovereignty. And in the infrastructure realm, Marvel's PCIe retimers are quietly powering the backbone of AI data centers. By extending high-speed connections between GPUs and accelerators, these components ensure reliable, scalable infrastructure, crucial for the demanding workloads of modern AI. All these signals point toward an AI ecosystem that's becoming more specialized, transparent, and integrated into every aspect of research, regulation, and enterprise operations. Whether it's physics-native models, transforming science, regulatory harmonization easing compliance, or AI-enabled health breakthroughs, the pace of change is rapid. Reflecting on these trends, it's clear that staying ahead means understanding not just the technology, but the evolving frameworks, data strategies, and research frontiers shaping tomorrow's AI landscape. Thanks for listening. Imagine a world where AI models are no longer just trained on language or text, but directly on the fundamental laws of physics. That's exactly what Polymathic AI is pioneering with their new models, Walrus and AION-1. Instead of relying on words, these models are trained on physical simulations, aiming to accelerate discoveries in cosmology, fluid dynamics, and material science. This approach allows scientists to generate hypotheses and design experiments with unprecedented speed, essentially treating domain-native AI as essential infrastructure for the next wave of scientific breakthroughs. This shift toward physics-native AI signals a move beyond traditional language models, opening doors for more precise and reliable scientific insights. It's a reminder that as AI becomes more specialized, its role in research becomes more integral, transforming laboratories into AI-augmented discovery hubs. Meanwhile, in the realm of transparency, Stanford's Foundation Model Transparency Index reveals a concerning trend. Major AI providers are disclosing less about their training data, safety evaluations, and governance measures than before. This decline in transparency comes at a time when models are growing more capable and more opaque. The message here is clear. Regulators and organizations must embed transparency into their AI governance frameworks, as the risks of unchecked opacity could undermine trust and safety. On the healthcare front, a collaborative effort led by Providence Microsoft Research and the University of Washington has introduced GigaTime, an AI framework that maps the spatial distribution of proteins within tumors from routine pathology slides. By virtually reconstructing tumor microenvironments at scale, this technology promises faster biomarker discovery, more accurate clinical trials, and personalized oncology treatments, all without the need for expensive lab assays. Expect pathology workflows and cancer research to increasingly rely on AI-native spatial biology tools, transforming how we understand and treat disease. Across the Atlantic, the European Union is pushing to streamline digital regulation with its proposed Digital Omnibus. By harmonizing overlapping rules covering GDPR, the AI Act, Data Act, and cybersecurity directives, the EU aims to cut compliance costs by 25%. This effort not only reduces administrative burdens but also promotes consistent enforcement across member states. For CISOs, data officers, and compliance teams, this means preparing for fewer silos but higher expectations around regulation and data governance. In the world of location data, giants like Here Technologies and Precisely are expanding their partnership to deliver trusted, privacy-conscious geospatial datasets. These curated data streams enable AI-driven decisions in logistics, retail, and infrastructure, helping businesses operationalize location intelligence without sacrificing compliance or data integrity. As AI strategies become more location-aware, curated geospatial data will be the backbone of smarter, more compliant decision-making. Travel retail is getting a boost from AI-powered pricing tools. Centipede Technologies has launched ZAC, a platform that analyzes competitor prices, demand signals, and product trends to recommend optimal prices and promotions. For duty-free shops and travel hubs, this means reacting faster to passenger flows, currency fluctuations, and local market shifts, ultimately protecting margins in a highly competitive environment. In project management, AI continues to evolve from reporting tools to autonomous decision makers. PlanVector's PWM1F introduces a foundation model combined with causal inference engines that forecast delays, identify causal drivers, and suggest adjustments across complex project portfolios. This signals a future where enterprise project agents don't just inform, but actively reshape plans, saving time and optimizing resources. On the oncology research frontier, Microsoft's GigaTime is scaling tumor microenvironment analysis by virtually profiling millions of cells across thousands of tumors. This population-scale approach enhances our understanding of treatment resistance and immune responses, paving the way for more effective immunotherapies. It's a prime example of how AI-driven atlas building can revolutionize cancer research.